Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Abner, and today we're going to be talking about this restaurant management app, part three, where we are actually printing the total in the entry. Not only that, we're going to try also doing the order number, okay, which I just started. We make a file order number which starts from 0. Okay, I'll just stop this. Make order number that's 0 in this file console. Okay, let's go back to the code. The new thing is about it is the total amount. Let's start from that. So total amount equals, you have to add all the amounts to have a total amount. After that, all you have to do is entry A because the entry is the total, right? Dot insert tk dot n comma total amount. After that, file.open order number.txt and put this in read mode because you want to read it, not write or do anything else. Current order equals to integer int file read, meaning the file we're reading, we have to put that in integer mode because it's an integer. File.close, close the file. Then the new order equals to current order dot plus 1. Since this is a new variable. Since our current order was what? The 0. We add 1 plus 1 is 1. So what we do is file.write, open the new order in string mode. But you can write, then file.close. Here's how it works. Order number is fine. Total. See? Order number 1. And see, it's printing total. And if we go on the order number, it's writing 1. See that? So if we do it again, let's reset. Reset, okay? Still 1, but here. If we write 2, 1. So it's like, well, I'll explain the code later. Total, order number 2, see order number 2, it's changing. Why? Because it's in write mode. Okay? Here, let me explain the code, basically. Let me use my annotator. Good. First of all, let's say the bill counter is here. It's sitting on the table. So bill counter, B for the bill counter. This is the table. Some guy named Bob comes up and says his order number is first 1. Second person behind him is Avner. His order number is 2. So it doesn't matter basically. Like here, it does matter. So it depends. Not depends, but it matters. So here, let's say Avner is the second person that orders, and he's in last in the line, and he completed his order after Bob did. Even though he's last in the line, they're gonna call Avner, and Avner is going to get his food. It matters, okay? So we have another person, Alex, who is order number 3. Why am I writing my 3 like that? So we have 3 people. So Bob is gonna order, if this bill counter, let's write this better for you. Bill counter, I'll write C for counter. Bill counter first calls Bob. Bob is going to order his, what am I doing? Yeah, Bob is going to order his food and I'll sit on his table. Then second they call Avner. Avner's going to go and order his food. Then last they call Alex. Alex is going to go and order her food. That's how ordering works. Okay? This is how the code works for the order number. Total amount, good thing. If I say fries meal, still this is 2 anyways. 2, 1. What am I writing? Please. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Total is 305. 305, I meant to say. And the order number is 3. You know why. 305. Why? First of all, fries meal. If we go to price, each is 25. So in total, it's 50. 50 plus the lunch meal. How much is a lunch meal? 50 plus 40, that's 90. Plus burger meal, okay, is 35 times 2, which is 70. Anyways, and then you just add the rest of them, and then you get your total amount, 305. That's how it works. That's how this coding works. If you know the logic behind all this, you can actually write the code. I'm telling you, it's easy. It's that easy. So thank everyone for listening about my video about the restaurant management app part 3. Okay, this project is finished now. Okay, I hope you like it, and bye.